Acrylic plastic. Useful, sometimes difficult, but we're going to talk about cutting it. I'm Robert Markey, and we're going to talk about how to cut acrylic plastic. Basically, the idea is when you cut this, you need something pretty fine. We can use a handsaw, and we want to use a fine tooth handsaw with that. Basically, it's kind of like cutting wood, only it's cutting plastic. Okay, the finer the tooth you have, the finer, the better, the nicer the cut. Okay, if we want to use our scroll saw, we use the very fine blade there. Again. And there we have it. Using this tends to melt it a little bit, as you can see. If you want to cut it with a skill saw or a table saw, again, you want to use the fine tooth blade. Okay. And when you're done cutting it, you're usually going to sand, you usually get a burr on the bottom of it from the saw blade going through, and that you're going to have to scrape off. I'm Robert Markey, and we've been cutting acrylic plastic.